ये सफ़र काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि मेरे साथ एक ऐसे एक्टर हैं जिन्होंने आई थिंक सिनेमा को अपने अंदाज से बदला है और अपने चॉइसेस से बदला है. दिस गोइंग टू बी अ इंटरेस्टिंग कार जर्नी विद इरफान खान. और इरफान, पहली बात तो हाउ ऑफन डू यू थिंक यू आर जज्ड ऑन बीइंग दिस डिफरेंट एक्टर? क्या वो अब बदला है?
Most of the time, it's I'm judged by that as if it's a kind of disease I'm carrying. The way people define me. But this is the way only. This is the only way I would have worked for myself.
इरफान, हम लोग जब बात करते हैं, lot of people come out here to become heroes and become mainstream actors. में हीरो बनना है, लेकिन आपने हमेशा मेंशन किया कि मैं यहाँ एक्टर बनने नहीं आया था. You wanted to act, and that is why you made different choices, and you didn't want to be the stereotypical hero in you. Today, when you have the heroines cast opposite you, it is a game changer.
I think because they are also very intelligent actors, and they are also trying to explore different aspects of themselves. Because they just don't want to be caged in one kind of image. And because the industry is coming up, new directors and new kind of storytelling, so they want to explore it. It's a transition time. We are our industry is becoming more and more diverse in storytelling, and that's a very 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 good sign for the audience and for the filmmakers and for the industry.
Irfan, obviously you've done a lot of films, carried the responsibility on your shoulders. पर ये भी मैंने देखा है और हम सब ने देखा है कि आप कतराते नहीं हैं एक ऐसा रोल पिकअप करने से जिसका लेंथ उतना नहीं है.
There are films like that. There you are concerned कि आपकी लेंथ कितनी है, आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स कितनी है, but I don't enjoy that process. I have become part of those kind of films, but I have never enjoyed that process and I don't want to repeat it. मजबूरी कभी आ जाए तो बात अलग है.
बहुत पैसे मिल रहे हैं.
पैसे नहीं, मजबूरी होती तब. आई थिंक वो हो गया एक बार, आपने उस पैसे भी ले लिए उन चीज़ों से, लेकिन उसकी जो मेमोरी है, उसका जो आफ्टर टेस्ट है, वो मतलब
अच्छा नहीं. You obviously mentioned this really valuable time that आप पे responsibility है, and you don't want to repeat what you've done क्योंकि आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा है. Would that mean that you wouldn't want to be a part of that big multi-star commercial movie, not just the money factor, but just to be like to get that whole mass attention?
Mass attention. I am confident and I know and I've been confident from the beginning that I can engage them.
Sure.
I can give them mukhalmebazi, I can give them dialogue-bazi, but it should make sense to me.
Sure.
It should have some kind of something to cherish, something to take back.
Thank you so much. We had a lot of fun, Irfan, and hope that the movie obviously does really well and we get to see much more of it. Thank you so much. So there you are. This drive ends, but we have a lot of interesting answers from Irfan on it, and we shall take that with us. Brian Chatraj with camera person Kailash, Zoo, Mumbai.